Good morning, my dear students, all of you. So, my dear students, today's next lecture is about the subject English. What is the syllabus of our English? So, the syllabus is about the unit number 3. Okay, the syllabus is about for our unit test second. So, my dear students, in that unit 3, some questions are very essential. And exam, these questions are always asked. Like suppose adding ly. These questions always asked in exams. Adding ly to the given words. So, how you add it? मीन्स दैट यहाँ पे क्या बताया जाता है, जो एग्जाम में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसके बारे में आज हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं। तो देखिए एग्जाम में ऑलवेज एक क्वेश्चन आता है एडिंग ly टू द गिवन वर्ड्स। जो वर्ड दिया जाता है उसे आपको ly लगानी है, लेकिन हमारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे जम्बल्ड हो जाते हैं, वो ing लगाते हैं, ly के बदले ing भी लगाते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ ly दे यूज ing and this is a wrong answer for that question. Therefore, how you add it? Suppose we take an example. Which is an example? Suppose slide. S-L-I-G-H-T. Slide. So, how you add the ly? Slide, slightly. Okay. Ly. Then, next word is a happy. How you add the ly to the happy? H-A-P-I-L-Y. This Y is converted into the I. Then, suppose next word is a sad. Sad, sadly. Then, next word is a which take. You tell me any one word about the taking ly. So, like the great, G-R-E-A-T, great, greatly. Careful, C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. How you add the ly? C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y. This L is converted into the double L and then you add the Y, means that we add the ly. Are you understand? Means that this is a question is dependent upon the adverb. This question is dependent on the adverb. Then next word in exam always ask the question. Write the opposites. Write the opposites of given words. So how you write the opposites of given words? Suppose opposite means that the two directions are opposite or their meanings are opposite, or like the antonyms. In scholars, those students are sitting in a scholarship exam, these students are known about what is called the antonyms, as well as in our grammar book a lesson is there, the name is the antonyms. And these students always write the antonyms. Like the antonyms or opposite words are the same. Opposites means the words that have the opposite meaning, that is called the opposites. Like the up, down, up, down. East, west, east, west. Then happy. Happy means happy, sad, or other any words you know. Left, right, left, right. These are the opposite words. Opposite words means they shows the opposite meaning of each other. Like the up, down, east, west, happy, sad. Then left, right. Am I right? Then ugly म्हणजे कुरूप. Beautiful, ugly. These are the opposite words. In exam always ask the opposite words for the 2 marks. In exam always ask the adding ly, this type of question for the 2 marks. Then the next is the writing part in a grammar. This is a very important. Like the write the essay or write the 4 lines about my friend. Write the essay about my school. So how you write? From at the time of writing essay, you start with the paragraph. Always I am telling you in the class. Always shows the paragraph at the time of writing essay like this. Start from the use space of the 2 or 3 words. Then you write like the my school name is. You write your name. Then in my school means that here you write the sentences one after another. Not write the one, then below one, then below one. This is a wrong method. This is not a points. This is a essay. essay लिहित असताना तुम्ही नेहमी इथं स्पेस द्यायचा नाहीये. तर एक सेंटेन्स आल्यावर दुसरी लागून घ्यायची. Means that here you use the first of all. First condition is shows the paragraph. After that you write the next sentence near the first sentence, or you write the one after another, not one below the another. You write one after another. Then after ending first paragraph, you shows the second paragraph like this. Okay. So my dear students, today's homework of subject English, write the 10 pairs of opposite words and write the 10 examples of adding ly words. Okay, thank you.